In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file back taxes on TurboTax. Filing back taxes might seem daunting, but with the right guidance and tools like TurboTax, it becomes a seamless process. So let's dive right in and ensure you have everything up to date. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TurboTax official website. TurboTax is a widely used online tool that simplifies the tax filing process, helping you achieve accuracy and compliance. Once you're on their homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward. Follow the prompts to provide your basic information and create a secure password. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the TurboTax home. This is your starting point where you can manage your current and previous tax filings. From here, locate and click on Tax Tools widget, which will give you access to several options and settings necessary for filing back taxes. It's crucial to stay organized and ensure all your information is accurate, so take your time navigating these tools. Next, you'll want to click on Tools within this section. This menu provides a range of options, but for our purpose, we're interested in the Clear and Start Over option. This feature allows you to reset any progress you've made so far. It can be especially useful if you've input incorrect information or simply need to start fresh with your tax filing. After selecting Clear and Start Over, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Here, you'll click on Yes to proceed. Keep in mind, confirming this action means any previously entered data will be permanently erased from this session. Ensure you're ready to start anew before confirming. Using this method allows you to file back taxes with TurboTax easily, ensuring all your records are up to date and reducing the risk of any penalties or issues with the Internal Revenue Service. TurboTax offers step-by-step guidance and a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for navigating the complexities of tax filing. You'll find that staying compliant with your taxes provides confidence and peace of mind. By following this guide, the process becomes simpler, and any previous apprehension will be replaced with understanding and capability. If at any point you need further assistance, TurboTax provides support via live chat, phone, or their comprehensive help center, filled with resources that cover a wide array of tax topics. So there you have it. You're now equipped to file back taxes using TurboTax, ensuring your financial records are accurate and compliant.